In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful family photo videos. We'll start with the home page. You will be required to sign up for the free version. By the way, stay tuned to the end of the video for 2 special offers. We'll start off with the video tab. Go ahead and upload your photographs, which is pretty easy to do. Click on Upload and you'll see the purple bar. To speed things along, I have already preloaded some photos. Since I am using the free version, anything with the little gold crown is a pro feature. I will only be using free features today. Select a background that you find attractive, or you can even upload backgrounds of your own. Add one of your photos. Go to your Elements tab. Here you will have a large variety of different shapes, stickers, even videos that you can use. I'm going to pick out a square that can be used behind the photo as a border. Increase the size just a little bit and change the color if you choose to. Here is where you change your colors. I'm going to go with something that's similar to the colors in the background. Once you've picked out your colors, you can go up here to Position and push that purple square to the background. And there you have your border. If you want to embellish a little bit, you can go to the graphics or the stickers within the Elements tab. I'm going to type in watercolor flowers, which I have already done. And this is what we get. Some are static and some are animated. So depending on your preference, you can pick what you like. I like that one. We'll resize it and just put it right there. If you make a mistake, that's okay, because you just hit this back button and it will remove the element. By selecting the Text tab, it will give you 3 different sizes of text boxes. They can all be adjusted to fit whatever style that you like. So let's say this is Grandma. You click here and then you can swing this up and move it. Here's your list of type styles. Now Canva does have a lot of free type styles. So pick what you like. Right here is where you can size it up or down. You can actually change the color of the text if you like, or you can even animate it as well. So here's your list. You can even add music to your video. You can filter your choices by clicking on the 3 lines here. To preview music, just hover and click to get a sampling of the song. If you find a song you like, when you click it, you will notice that it goes to the bottom of the timeline and you can adjust it. To adjust it, just click on the 3 dots and you will get your list of audio effects. Continue adding pages for as many photos as you would like to add. You can add as much time to each of the pages as you like. I usually do 5 to 6 seconds. Just make sure it's long enough for people to read whatever captions you might have. And if you get stuck, you might find some inspiration under the Templates tab. This particular template will let you add your photos by sliding them into the positions of the photos that are already existing on that mat, like this. And to download your video, go up to the Share and click Download. You can save it to your computer and email it to anyone you choose. Here are a few examples of what you can do. Play around with it and have fun. I have 2 special offers for you. Enjoy Canva Pro for 45 days. There will be an affiliate link in the description below. Second, let me design a video for you. Not that creative? I will put together a video of 20 photos, and it's your choice of themes, colors, music, and more. Additional information I will list below, as well as an email address you can contact me with.